Hey, welcome to this short video. My name is Deepak and I'm the founder and CEO of Fintello. Now, Fintello is a one-stop AI marketing solution that we have exclusively built for financial advisors and insurance agents. And in this video, I want to give you a quick demo of what Fintello is, how it works, and most importantly, how it can help you or your team grow with the power of social media, AI, digital marketing, and everything. So quick backstory, we started helping financial advisors since 2018, and we have helped over 600 financial advisors from large organizations and wirehouses to independent RIA advisors to insurance agents and people who are brand new or people even with large existing clientele. The common thing that we see is people who are looking to grow and they want to have a marketing system that allows them to grow their practice. And that's what Fintello is built for. The reason I decided to create Fintello was we couldn't find a marketing solution that was easy for financial advisors. I've heard countless advisors have tried social media marketing or digital marketing only to find no results. And Fintello is a solution to that problem. But before we go into a quick demo that I'm going to show you, and then after that, please go ahead and schedule a demo so we can get on the call and make sure we answer all your questions and see if and how Fintello can help you and your team. And then hopefully you can get started and start using the platform and see it for yourself. So let's talk a little bit about what's happening in the industry. So today the consumer behavior has changed. Like you can't just rely on having a website and expect people to reach out to you. You just can't send the newsletter emails and market updates to your list and expect to have a growth and new client acquisitions. You can't just dabble into social media, do something here and there and expect consistent results, right? That's really the kind of things people have been doing. But what is happening now is more and more attentions are on different social platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You need to have a marketing process that allows you to prospect people on multiple platforms. And hence, Fintello was created to provide a very simple and a single one-stop experience so that you are able to launch campaigns. Now, I have personally been creating campaigns, giving it to advisors, testing it out. So when you start with Fintello, and you'll see it in a second, it comes fully loaded with ready-to-use, tested, proven campaign. And you're constantly testing and adding. And you now can use the power of data analytics to make decisions. So that's really what Fintello is all about. So if you are an individual advisor or someone who is the owner of a firm and you want to tap into the opportunity and also take advantage of the AI revolution that we are going through, then you want to click the link below and schedule a quick personalized demo to see if this is something that can help you. So let me now give you a quick overview of what Fintello is, how it works. So Fintello really does two most important things. It helps you create your own brand so that you are able to speak very specifically, uniquely to your ideal target market. Okay, it's very important for all of us to build a brand on social media. So branding is important and Fintello helps you do that with content marketing, email, and other things. The second and also very important is you want to have appointments. You want to generate leads. You want to sit down with people because as an advisor, it is impossible for you to grow and also help people if you don't sit down and have those consultation meetings. So Fintello comes with LinkedIn campaign, Facebook ad campaigns, email campaigns. It allows you to create web pages, funnels, and everything that you need in today's modern marketing. So a good marketing system should have branding and lead generation. And that is what Fintello is designed to do. Let me walk you through what it looks like. So let's start with our website. So if you head on to fintello.com, you will see a lot more details about our solutions, all the features that we cover. There's a lot of resources that we have. You can go through our pricing. You can see how different groups of people can get benefit from Fintello and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the first part. And now let me show you the actual platform. So here's what Fintello looks like. So basically what you see on the left are all the features that we have in different packages, different feature set. On the top, you see all the lead management capability. We have account settings, and this is where you link all your accounts and everything. You set things up, and that way it can centralize the entire marketing for you. We also have support right from our system. So if you go to support, you will be able to reach out, get help. We also have a chat support, email support, weekly calls that we do as well. We have a community support and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's how everything is organized. Now let me walk you through the feature set. So let's start by going on top. So one of this feature we have here, this shows you all the new leads that you are generating from different campaigns like LinkedIn, emails, and so on and so forth. We now also have the notification. So the notification gives you any lead that is responding to you, so you can track the responses, you can reply to them, and you can move them if they're not interested, if they're a fit, if they're booking meeting, and so on and so forth. This is one of the most important part of marketing, and Fintello allows you to automate a lot of administrative tasks so that you can put your attention on following up with leads, and this notification is a feature that allows you to do that. We have recently launched Fimigo, which is our AI chatbot, which allows you to ask very specific questions around data on your marketing and find areas of improvement, things that are working, things that are not working. And we are doing a lot of R&D in this space. And I personally believe that this is going to be a very powerful capability, and an advisor who doesn't have one of these assistants that is helping them drive marketing, they are going to be left behind. And that is essentially why we recently launched a Fimigo, which is our AI chatbot. And as you see here, it's answering questions about the connections that we're having. You can ask what messages are working, what kind of market you should be focusing on, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's head on to the left. Now, dashboard is again important because we want to track all the data, so you can see how your LinkedIn is performing. You can see how your Facebook ads are performing. You can track all your emails. You can track all your content posting. So this is really the thermometer, if you will, of your marketing. We also provide courses depending upon what you're looking for. So Fintello comes with the Academy course. So here's the course that guides you on how to use different features, right? In this case, I'm showing you post management, LinkedIn campaigns, and so on and so forth. So you can watch how things work right from our platform. Post is a very powerful feature where you are able to do content marketing. You can use ready-to-use posts that we create and constantly adding. That we are adding about 1 or 2 posts a day, and you can see how the posts are performing, and then you can decide which one you want to use. And then you simply click on use, and then it takes you to a place where you can see the actual post, and then you can decide if you want to use this post as it is. Like, you can keep it as it is, you can make any changes you want right here, you can rewrite with AI, you can pick any of these images that has worked well, or you can even search license free stock images and personalize this even further, right? So we kind of give you this tool. You can just search images, put it up here, and then you come down and you pick the day you'd like to post. You see this whole calendar is booked. Nothing is on 6th, so I pick 6th, and I can pick a time slot that I want, and then I click on schedule, and it will automate. We now have people posting over 100 posts in less than an hour because we have a rich library. You can filter on different things like retirement, insurance, and so on and so forth, and it will give you all the content with all the data, so you can make a decision. This is really powerful. You can completely create posts from scratch. You can submit for your compliance team if you want. We also have that compliance feature. We can walk you through how that works. We also have a post recommendation engine, which will allow you to find the top performing post and schedule really fast. So very powerful capability. Now let's head into LinkedIn. So LinkedIn outreach, sending a connection request messaging, is a very powerful capability, and we have built that here. So you see a list of ready-to-use campaign. We're also adding more campaigns all the time, and you simply go make a list on Sales Navigator. You add about 1,000 people a month typically, and here's the message. You can take it again. Everything in our system you can custom and change, but we give you things that have worked well. So for most advisors who use our platform, they keep 90% what I give, because this is years of testing, right? A lot of marketing, copywriting, and everything. This is where Fintello is very unique from any other product in the market, because it comes with ready-to-use template. You set delays, there's guidance and training. You click on launch, and now you have your campaign running. The good news is you can run multiple campaigns. Warm campaigns are campaigns that you're running on your first degree connections, people that are connected with you on LinkedIn. Cold are people that are not connected. You reach out, you send invitations, message, and so on and so forth. So this way you can get very strategic about it. You can reach out to existing clients. You can reach out to center of influence like accountants, CPA, attorneys to get referral clients. And you can go to multiple market. You might go to executives. You might go to small business owners and run multiple campaigns. Okay, so that is how LinkedIn campaign work. And once you start reaching out, people will start connecting with you. Messages go out. And this is where our product becomes really powerful. Like, for example, when somebody replies, you see we have a very detailed profile in our system. Okay, so all the messages are here, and then we even guide you on how to respond. So for example, if somebody says, I have a financial advisor, we give you a response to handle that objection. If somebody is not interested, we have different responses. If somebody is ready to book meeting, how do you position yourself to book meeting? So we have different response templates available in our system. And this is where it becomes really powerful, and you can track everything. You can advance the lead to different stage in the life cycle. And this way you are able to stay on top of leads right from our platform. We also have a Facebook ad feature that is really powerful. Facebook ad is a really good way to drive leads, so you can launch campaigns from here. And again, any lead that comes, they all come in the notification. So what we have done is we have centralized lead generation. That is one of the most powerful features of Fintello, that you don't have to connect 5 different systems to run a campaign. Emails are very powerful. So if you want to run email campaigns, weekly emails, you have ready-to-use email that we have created here. And you can simply go down, pick emails, again, make any changes you want, add any images, put your calendar link, and automate the email on the day that you want to send, and the system will take care of that. And you can schedule everything up front. We also have pages where you can create web pages for video, calendar booking. You can create funnels and websites and all of that right from here. So that is really what Fintello is at a high level. And again, you can pick any of these campaign you want, so we can guide you with that. You don't need to do all of them, but if you do want to do all of them, which we do recommend, then we want to make sure that this is easy for you to implement. So at this point, I think you have a good view of what Fintello is, how it looks, and how it can help you launch campaigns on clicks. We have people now launching campaign, doing 100 plus posts, reaching 15,000 plus impressions, which is read of their post. People from LinkedIn are reaching out to about 1,000 people a month, adding about 300 connections, and then sending messages to them, getting 30-40 people reply, and maybe book 5 to 15 meetings. Facebook ad can allow you to start generating leads at the cost of $15 to $25 a lead, but these are hot inbound leads. And from there, you can book meetings fast. And we have seen as high as $2.4 million, client that came from Facebook ads. We have seen 1.7, even $3.5 million from LinkedIn. We have seen $1 million client from email. So each of these campaigns are very capable of producing clients. I personally use Fintello as a marketing for my own business. And having everything in one place is where you get the power of data. Okay, so that's really how Fintello looks. So hope you liked that short overview of Fintello. And again, as you see, we worked very hard and put a lot of energy in it for past number of years. So at this point, you should click the link below and schedule your personalized demo so we can go on a call and see how Fintello can help you specifically in your practice, take your practice to the next level. The good news is Fintello is a solution that you can do it on your own, or you can have somebody from your team, like an assistant, run that. And if you are a firm owner, then you can do a lot of things. You can get a solution like this available to all your advisors. You can provide a group compliance support so the advisors don't have to waste time, and you can empower them. You can also see which campaigns are working and share with all the other advisors. So that way you're really able to tap into, the whole idea of what works, you want to replicate. So again, click the link below, schedule a call. Let's go through all your questions, and then you can decide if this is something you want to try or not. Again, my name is Deepak. I'm the founder and CEO of Fintello. So I'm looking forward to speaking with you. Thanks a lot again for watching this video.